trade has been kind of stagnant at just over £500 billion a year out of the UK for the last 3 or 4 years. We want to amp that up to £1 trillion by 2020.
Openness takes us all, whether you're a politician, a minister or a civil servant, it takes you out of a comfort zone because we're not used to sharing in this open way. What you get in terms of value is huge.
Instead of experimenting with ideas that came from politicians, from our ministers, from our senior leaders, or from prominent businesses outside, really if we wanted to be a customer-centric organisation, we needed to be building ideas and services on insight directly from them.
Great that so many businesses wanted to take part and saw the value in it. I think we were surprised by how many businesses were willing to put in the time and effort.
Hundreds of people from all sorts of businesses turning up all across the country to co-design what they thought the perfect export support system would be. So we had professional facilitators in each of those locations, getting people to, rather than just talk about their experiences and the problems they've been having, actually to build, to prototype what they thought that might look like, and actually interacting with something that's much more physical, whether it's sketches or Lego or Play-Doh, helps them test their ideas on each other and build on their ideas.
It's the interaction with UKTI and how keen they are for business to grow within the country. I think it's a very exciting time.
Your volume of orders will just go through the roof.
It's about demystifying exports.
A list of manufacturers who want to sell in Ghana, and then a list of people, especially those from Ghana who are based in the UK.
And understand your product, then you need to go out and understand your market.
If you want to have good ideas, it's important to have lots of ideas. So it's very much in that spirit that we want to open up and generate a wealth of thinking, and particularly ideas that no one's ever thought of before.
We use data science and data analytics. We use much more traditional business analytics and quantitative information. We take the market research that has been done over many, many years, and we put it together with stories and anecdotes, but real human stories about their experiences of accessing export support services, the pain points, the dramas, what they find really, really difficult, so that we can understand and empathise with them as we redesign the services for them.
It's a completely different way of working. It actually speeds things up because you don't have the problem of producing something that's completely unworkable because you're constantly iterating it, constantly testing it.